Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make chicken tender salad using an easy method. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of cooked chicken tenders, which you can slice or shred. Grab some fresh mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, and a crisp cucumber. Don't forget your favorite dressing. Ranch or honey mustard work wonderfully. This simple approach ensures a delicious and quick meal every time. Now, let's prepare our chicken tenders. You can bake, grill, or pan-fry them until they are golden brown and cooked through. Season them generously with salt, pepper, and a touch of garlic powder for extra flavor. Once cooked, allow the tenders to cool for a few minutes. This makes them easier to handle and slice into perfect bite-sized pieces for your salad. With your chicken ready, it's time to assemble this fantastic salad. In a large bowl, combine your fresh mixed greens, the sliced cucumber, and the halved cherry tomatoes. Next, evenly distribute the delicious chicken tender pieces over the bed of vegetables. Finally, just before serving, drizzle your favorite dressing generously over the entire salad. Toss gently to combine, and you're ready to enjoy. Your easy chicken tender salad is now complete and ready to be enjoyed. Serve it immediately to savor the freshest flavors and textures. For an extra touch, you might consider adding some crunchy croutons or a sprinkle of shredded cheese. This salad is perfect for a light lunch or a quick dinner. Remember to check the description for a link to the amazing Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to make your life easier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.